Hey everybody, Hard Tecticon is back with another Big Bad Toy Store unboxing. And let's get into it, This one, not a bunch of toys. It is going to be almost like a repeat of last time with one of the main things that I got. Oh, found my knife, by the way. So, mostly Transformer stuff, all Transformer stuff in fact. Let's see, and no receipt, right? No receipt? Alright. We are receipty freety. And of course, cool sticker from Big Bad Toy Store. Alright. Oh, right on top, and I'm glad my wife's not home yet, because I got her this, but it came in pre-order, and I was just kind of letting it sit around in the pile of loot until it got closer to Christmas, but I was starting to run out of time. So yeah, I got a Rocky Horror Picture Show coloring book. She loves Rocky Horror. She loves coloring books. So that's something I need to hide within the next half hour. This was on one of their daily sales. I guess I should turn it this way. Which is something I really wanted to get. I missed out on getting the Soundwave one. I've already got the Megatron one. Didn't get the Bumblebee one. The Bumblebee one didn't really entertain me. But it does come with Sergeant Slaughter. The coolest G.I. Joe guy or wrestling guy out ever. Decided to go ahead and finish up my Rise of the Beast figures with Double Punch. Just a repaint of Scorponok. And again, another item that was on sale for one day. Got Ape Link. So yeah, this guy is almost cheaper than the DNA upgrade kit itself. And then last but definitely not least, meaning yes, my channel is about to get flooded with more Blockies videos. Really hoping to get that burning Rodimus right there. Not this one, but the other one. So yeah, comes with a coin, comes with a poster, 8 figures, 4 vehicles. Yeah. So, yeah, this is the one I'm really hoping to get. So yeah, there is my Big Bad Toy Store unboxing. So expect some more videos, and I'm going to try and break it up with some stuff that isn't just blockies. So hope to review some soon.